Damn, look at the new car. Damn. Alright, see this game right here? This is Need for Speed Heat. Just came out not too long ago, right? 4.6 out of 5 stars. Not too bad. 75% people, PC gamers like it. 94% like this video game. Not too bad. Now we're gonna go pick it up, and it costs that much at Best Buy. Aguastine actually wanted this. You already know La Perona. He wanted this game. Didn't actually end up buying it. I don't know, because of money issues and stuff. Because, you know, he has his neck surgery and stuff. So he couldn't work. But he's still doing a lot of YouTube videos. So we're going to go get that game for him and see how it cheers him up. And I know he wanted it. So I made some little bit of money extra. Why not buy the game for him, you know? That's what friends do. And don't mind my finger. I know it looks like I'm flipping you off. Well, I am kind of. But I'm not. I kind of went boop boop and I kind of shreked the... I can't cuss. I kind of shreked the poop out of it, to be honest. Like, oh, like when you kept talking about David's house, you were like, oh yeah, I really wanted this game. Oh yeah, I'll pay you back. No, it's cool. I got it as a gift because your birthday, remember? I didn't get you anything for your birthday, and we never really did anything, so I appreciate it. Awesome, bro. This is nice. I like the Nismo sticker, the cool ass dude steering. We'll keep this steering wheel. Yeah, this is cool. You can clean it up. It's just dirty. Sand it. Yeah, just sand it, like with some really light grit, because right here is fine. Yeah. But damn, this is brings back. Oh, this is smooth. I thought it would be hard. It needs some interior work. Yeah, that's fine. That's the whole build, though, dude. You got it for a good price. He's gonna do a bunch of stuff to it. We got the stretch tires. We gotta get these redone. Isaac, shout out to you, dude. He's the one that did mine. So we're gonna go do his eventually, maybe, and then get them redone. Cause these are they're all cracked and stuff, but it's not bad for how old it is. The spikes, that's pretty dope. Just some big ass tires. You could probably go fatter, to be honest. All clean and it's not bad in the interior. It's a Datsun. It's an actual Datsun. This is pretty nice. Maybe like throw a Halloweeny right there. Oh, dude, Halloweeny, dude. He's gonna put a V8 in it, so this is gonna be crazy, dude. I just like how beefy it is. Like, you guys don't understand the beef starting on the side. Look at that. That's how beefy it is. And look how much the edge goes. That's freaking crazy, dude. Oh shit, bro. That's loud. That's really loud. Bro, these calipers are so freaking big. Yeah, no. Looking beefy. And then these are pretty solid. I mean, the nuts, yeah. What the hell? Your fucking nuts are loose, dude. These nuts, bro. These nuts are freaking loose. Fucking nuts. We're on to our adventure. Augustine, you know, Aguastine, that's what I always call him. La Perona over here. We're gonna take off and go check out the event, see how it goes. I got my Snapple like always. I wanted my freaking Arizona strawberry kiwi, but freaking piece of... Hola, Gaski. They smash it, just spray it. Just start talking. Do that U-turn right here. Oh, I don't think you can turn left here. Everything's all one way. No, you're lying. Damn, bro. No, you can't, dude. Can I? Wait, yeah, you can. Cause look at the cars over there outside. You sure? Yeah, you can turn left. Freaking middle of the street. Go. Halloweeny. Mira más. They scraped me too low, bro. Too low for me. No camera. You're good. Okay, stop. Oh. Mira, tacos. Go. Oh, too low for me, baby. 20 bucks, dude. 20 bucks. I'm gonna pay for parking, don't worry. Let's go. Oh, we didn't scrape. Look at that, dude. Look at it. That thing's pretty fresh. And hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, share, as I said, and enjoy. That's the problems we did with being a YouTuber. We gotta do videos over and over again. The intros are hard, bro. The intros are hard. Okay, so we're waiting for Augustine right now, and Caesar's in there, his brother. I'm fucking fudging cold, man. My freaking hands are like frozen, dude. There was cars already all the way around. Legit, right when we walked in, we're like, no, don't look. Because we gotta go straight pee. I already finished, you know. Weenie's too fast. But, dude, right when I walked in, everyone loved this shirt. Even the security guard pulled me over, thinking I had a weapon and stuff. Say, I actually did. And he's like, yo, Mr. I can't read, come over here. And he's like, you're gonna get in trouble because you're wearing that shirt. And I was like, dude, good. You already know. Halloweeny.com, bro. Halloweeny.com. You gotta pick up your own, dude. I swear these shirts, no bullshit. You could send the shirt back. These shirts get stand out so much. Everyone loves them. They just, literally, it's different. It's funny. It makes people put smiles on people's faces, bro. Literally, the sound itself is just like, if someone's almost close to roll, I can't tell where the actual speakers are actually coming from, but it sounds like up close and personal. No joke, pretty good. I didn't know it was gonna be here. The grand entrance, dude. It's kind of trippy to be here, just because the fact is, literally like not too long ago, all this was just like Halo. All this was just all Halo stuff, and then now it's kind of weird just to see everything is just, now it's all cars. Damn, you can tell, whoa, this is actually pretty sport, I'm not gonna freaking lie. It's really comfortable. Yeah, it is, bro. Holy. Like, I wanna go to Vegas in this. Dude, this is no joke, this is freaking nice. Alright guys, guess what color this is? It looks black, right? Psych, it ain't. Look at this, it's like a purplish. Alright, Augustine's getting the first look at, we have all this carbon right here on the sides. All carbon trim here. Oh yeah, it does. Wait, oh yeah, they're kind of long ways. Starts driving. That shift knob is crazy, bro. If you step on these, it actually has turbos. Watch. Dude, that's sick as hell, bro. Close the door, things all firm. Paddles, shift like always. I love his design, the concept of the fans and stuff too. That is not too bad, bro. This engine start, oh my gosh, bro. Don't mind me, I'm gonna go get some McDonald's in my luxury car. Not too shabby. All white interior. I don't know if I could deal with this, to be honest, but it does look fresh. All these cars are now coming past. Oh, listen. That's the only thing is like that white interior. Super comfortable, huh? It is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. The knob's pretty cool. What is Augustine? How do you say it? It's no quema. No quema. It's no quema, dude. This is actually my first time in person actually seeing this as well. Thoughts about it? I don't know. Can't really see it in person. But I gotta admit, it does look kind of fresh. Like the rims, I don't know, not too much, but my opinion on this, it does look pretty good. I don't think it's bad as everyone actually really does think. It does look smaller though, but I will give it like 7 out of 10. Rally edition, dude. Well, look at this. This is the dream team right here, dude. Look at this. Why would you want that when you can have this? How much is this, bro? Let me see. Look at this thing is what? Like, look at this. A comedy, bro. You gotta save. Well, I don't even know if you even use gas, but I just know I can feel it. It doesn't use gas just by sitting in this. But look, you're paying what, 20 grand for sparkles? Look at this. Thing's premium. Like, it doesn't feel like racer seats. Why do you need that? That's dumb. Sunroof, like that's more convenient. You know, save the world. We don't have paddles. Who needs paddles? That's for people that want to go fast, and people that go fast want to go to jail. We don't need that stuff. Like look at the back of the seats. Like my seat's like a little far back. There's barely any room. But like, you know, I don't want to have any fat people in the car. Even though I'm fat, but I don't want that. But look, see, convenient. Like, look at this. Retarded. I can't even read that. But not bad, huh? I like it. What? Do you like it? What looks better? Hardtop or convertible? I personally prefer the hardtop more and better instead. And then we have all the actual stuff over here, items, the stuff you don't want to buy. But the mirrors, carbon fiber, not too bad. I'll admit. If I choose anyone's wheels, that color. Wing, of course. Seats, that one. Steering wheel, this one. Color, blue. Done. And oh, belt. Oh, there's even switch. Oh, that's actually pretty sick. I will get that. Blue belt. Then luggage. We don't need that. This, I don't know what this does. Oh, this is stripes. No, I don't. Why would I pay for that? Oh, look. Let's begin. Let me see. Go ahead, dude. Good. Not bad. Look. I don't know. Never been really a huge Camaro guy, but what do you guys think? Volk T37s, made in Japan only. These are the newer ones. I do want some newer ones now because I like the more curved design. And I did something crazy. I actually rallied mine. You guys will see soon. Fun interactive show. We've got prizes to give away. And then actual people. Look at these people. There's only 2 people, bro. You can do it the car show. It's like me. Legit, it's like me. Only get 2 views, but you still gotta do it. It's not even here. We're gonna get in the Supra, aka BMW. I don't know. I never sat in. Holy. Okay. That thing's pretty far back. I do like the mirrors. I gotta lie. It has pretty cool mirrors. We gotta turn this music down so we don't get copyrighted. But looks fresh so far. We got carbon fiber right here. All the analogs right here. It's a little low for me. Holy crap, you can't go any higher. Got paddles. It looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty cool. I like the I don't know, I don't think it looks that bad. I like the carbon. This is legit a rally car, dude. This is cross country rally. They actually beat the crap. This is sick, bro. I can't wait to start doing this. I'm gonna build mine like this. I'm gonna build a couple of them. Look at this. Holy snap. Okay, guys, remember this, because like legit, this is what I was doing a couple days ago. I'm gonna try to show you guys, but this is gonna be like that. Subaru, hopefully it will survive, because if not, I'm gonna have to quit everything and I'm probably gonna become homeless, but it'll be worth it. All right, I gotta admit, this is pretty intense. NSX full carbon. Like, look at these details. Small carbon and then thick carbon throughout the car. I don't know what the buttons does, but I know that means they're badass and it's a race car. You don't even know any knows what it does. Like, look at the fuel cell even over here. Even all in carbon inside of the interior. All right, guys, I'm sitting here in my new All right, guys, just bought a new car. My new Q60 Infinity. All right.
Let's go to McDonald's.
Want to go to McDonald's, bro? All right, let's go to McDonald's, bro. All right. I don't know where the keys are at. Oh. I gotta admit, this like legit. This is pure metal. It has the down. Oh my gosh, the screen up display. It has scroll. All this carbon. Like, I would love this, to be honest, just because I love carbon fiber. But I don't know. Is it just gimmicky? What? Simplex? Holy, bro. Bro. Snap, I gotta admit.
It's really comfortable on the seats.
Yeah, dude. They should more comfortable on the back. Holy snap. Alright, Mini Cooper convertible. We're gonna try it out. Let's go. It's not bad. I think it's pretty cool. Look at the little weenie. Has a little weenie. Halloween, dude. So you got another bike again? I don't know. I had an R6, Yamaha R6, you guys remember, but I want to get a Yamaha R1. BMW, Yamaha R1. Which one? Supra. Okay, we're gonna get a Supra instead. And then grab me before it freaking dies. You guys would have died. It's gonna go in. Alright, besides hitting crowds and stuff, my first time sitting in a Mustang, I actually felt the urge to hit crowds, but I kind of calmed down, got out of the car. Other than that, this car right here, this is a prototype. Let me just tell you really quick. This little car right here is actually pretty sick. One of the only few cars I actually liked as a prototype. Look, just to prove it to you, prototype. Vehicle is locked. Augustine couldn't read that earlier. Well, yeah. Then maybe you should pick up one of these, Augustine, just in case, you know? Where's Gio? Holy shit.
Estoy.
¿Estás marihuano? ¿Estás marihuano?
Don't tell nobody. Bloopers.
Everything's over. Car's off. We're at Macagalangolos. We're at McDonald's. We're starving. We're hungry. Vlog's over. Alright, guys, that's it. Subscribe, like the video. If you don't like, then I'm quitting, you know. Alright.
Tengo hambre.
I'm hungry, bro.